KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ketenat Assam Rifles Lingba UMDC jong Kemaulai constituency uba tebor lang patau kala ai jing Arab arlak tingka neka benta ban pentap ya ketenum jong ke Ying School Kemaulai Mautawar Lower Primary School namar ba ketenum jong ke nika school kala pay bat ki kena puli jong ke nika school ki yakendo jing hado kata-kata kamtam hakapor slam Nakaliang jong ba tebor ulano senyang daka scheme jong ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bala penyo lingba ke excluded area jong usnem arajar khat khandai arajar arpo da ka ba penshna ya ka pankhana na ka benta ki khna school haga jingelang ka balingkot ka balalong haga sngi ba ar ka lai tarik ubna jimmang arajar arpo ar la sakhilang do nongkit kam jong ka school ki nongkit kam snong ki kmi ki pa jong ki khna school ki nong hikai bat rengkat ka jing don lang jong uhe sipai ka Assam Rifles u Colonel Khush Vender Singh
katak ba in plane ka por namta kani bagin IT ka school iso arang por ban ay kubleiru ya u Colonel Khush Vender ba po Assam Rifles playerap in school ng baga jing ay gini kitunom ya ka bangin yo ban plane lak ni jung por mutak dik sa tingkat ma sarap le Son del put there.
Kiriu dan buram nong nikmat jongi kumjo ya barolang ipiang api si jongka jingkmen si bansakin mau banjakri da jingket le hilap and pau Yang dawar LP su Bahkan betkan biang Daganya galek syabar Inosen yang Ya kangen sumarkut Banbha
School ko pi ju yo ong kumbadi kita sesur henringan ong ya pi kandu ka school kadai ka babaha kandu ka school kadai ka babaha hakini ki por ki bamanta don kam ya ka jingye trailang ki keme ki pa ki nong hikai bat ki khna school lada ki nong hikai ki dei ki ba trim ki ba shirkhai ki ba tibit sakan nu bat noru lada ki khna kim pule kim sim ya ka jingkit khili kim sim ya ka ban tre sitam ban pule long le no lek hasin mons long le no balik hasin antonis long le no balik hakinu kinu ki school ki bapa lada ki khna school kim tre sitam lada ki kimi ki pa kim ya tre lang kim pet kim kit khia ya ki khun haba ki lawan na school ne kin dik school laki pule kot ne kim ju pule kot laki pendem ne em ki homework laki le khun ne em ki im lane ki yan em haka kor ke buram long le no la dalek hakitu ki school ki papau kan nuru kumjuru la dakino hikai kim budien ya ki khna kim don ke jing e ya ki khna kim don ke jing trelang bat phi ki kimi ki pa ban pensngo shapi long le no ka educational system lane kan kapor ka pamanta kalong habangi wat ya ka slam jo ke jingnang jing start lani banwat jingnang jing tip kalong don kam ya ke jinga trelang ka cooperation ke jinga trelang ki kemi ki pa ki khna school bat kinong hikai te ngapen ka ban pensngo shapi ki kemi ki pa wat ong ba ki khonjongi le ke school nong kendong mdan nong kendong bread ya kata ji sunong kendong wat bu ya kani ke chupusngo haki khon jong phe wat ong ba ki khonjongi le ke school batangkum kanai mdei batangkum kanai ngan ong ya phe bun ki banang ki bastat ki balalong ki riu he ki riu hai ki balalong ki riu krau jong ke perthei ki dei ki bawan na ki long yeng ki baduk na ki school ki bawan nong kendong
We saw that school, it was very pathetic condition. So even the roofs were leaking and there was nothing there. That time he requested, sir, how can we help this school? If we have to help this school, how can we do it? So he also had something in his mind. So we met the headman, Mr. Harko and Mr. Jana. So they said that, sir, if we can get some kind of financial help through which we can improve this school, so we will do that. So financial help we could not provide from our department. Then I told them to write a letter to the DG, Mr. PC Nair, General PC Nair. So the letter was given to the DG and subsequently he was magnanimous enough to sanction almost 2 lakh rupees for this school, and through which we procured these tin sheets and other equipment to repair the roof of the school. So now you can see what is the condition. Similarly, the toilets were also in very bad condition, which Mr. Patao has helped the school in bringing it up. So it is the joint effort which has been there, because of which the school is in this condition as of now. And I am hopeful that the students will remember this and they'll also get motivated to join army and Assam Rifle and study hard. You'll study hard now. So you study hard and create a name for your parents and create a name for your country.
Hadian balapan kupor nga balong no mikmat cho Kamolai constituency. Ngalastang mansyong manperkhat nakabenta bangan tray ban kentiu ya kasong molai bi kejongi. Na bebon ki cingcumu ki bangadan la ka bede bakaroi kapar la ka bede bi kam snong kam thau la ka bede bat kiwai ki benta kapule puthi kadan hakawe na ki jingtumu ke bangadan na kabenta ban kentiu ya ka constituency ke bi kejongi ka jingtumu janga ban kentiu ya ka pule ke puthi kadai bangan pechwa ya kitu ki school ki badang duna haka jing penya jungki ya ke school ngisupuram kidan ki school mission hapo kani ka constituency kejongi kidan ki school shimet ki badan hakani ke constituency kejongi habangi i bagi khenak ba puli ke school namar bagi wan ke yeng ke babet pabiang kelayo banit puli high school ke balalong nakabenta bakin dio ban sandur kalau ke jongki here bangi perkhat pa di school ki bapenya ka snong bila sutu i sin bapenya ka managing committee ka snong ki bon ba ki jing ki bangi tingko tikidan katukan ni tili school ki balawan nak jingmut jonga hak tu ki por banga la siapan kubor long kum nomi khman kawin ni school kadi school ya kaba hakaw ski nga suwan bet kan da pentip ikina hikai ngawan banrung habang arung ngani tu ipi habang pet ik classroom ngalai assignment ban pet ngapet sejrong ketunum la pilot bro mene players ngau ya jingong ji ba mukhim ba teng da slap kikna hapen kerja na classroom ke baki kidan larang apa sekali cebar Pia kana kono school kacakali chapar ka di konsam tam health and sanitation ka di badan kamba nam ta kena here bangapet kadap tak jisusi bani iba kacakali bar ji kena kalong ka assignment ka bam ipit ibang bakala pelong nga bangan perkhat nam ta kani habang apai si katunum yeng jo ka di school kawan ka ji perkhat jonga ngalle kumno hakano rokom nganio ban ai ka jirap nam ta kani school kumba pitip ngadai uno mikmat ak jis council kum MDC ngimdan lupa ka ba ka sarkar klamang nam tajungi nagabenta bangin pentulun ya karoi ka parle ni jingdan kampus nong pothau hoi kadan ke jirap ka bawan na ka sarkar kami kigran ke ba ka sarkar kami ka ai tama kuma pitip kitu kigran ka ai makanaru kamdai ka ba kebun kalong ki jirap ki ba ka sarkar ka ai bat lingba ka tu ka jing ai ngiyo ke jirap ka bangi pentulun para ki jingdan kam hapo pos nong pothau Rela lagi pai para kecing kam juga di sekolah bangawan ngarung apa classroom lawan kecing perkat juga ya kayak ke bangangan le tabang kenal ya kau ini kentin ke bangang jukeran nak por bangelap election ngong balasai lah dengan ngapoi mengasih katong manlong nomi kemat hak tu por bangele kemele ngonga om tangka gran lah nek jirap ke bangiyo ke skim limba kumngi kinomi kemat hiringi dan kiwi pat kilat kelinti bangila panorai kecing mentoi hapo sang potau lagade nak liang ki supai lagade ka liang nak ki kenhun treman sobaru ngila ai banyo bun kicing mentoy te kepenuan hakicing bet jonga ya ka ba ngan perkhat kumno da kicing start ke bleu la ai nga hadian mai kran bagi nang sinong ngayo banle ikendu ya ki he supai Assam Rifle hangni Don Colonel Kushwinder Singh ya ka bangalali ikendu bati ya ka bangayo banyak kran bati nakamta kicing don kam jognik school bangalawannya lami bat deweru he supai uba don syak tak mensim menyerap bilawan yu kejat akadik school ke jongpi bangilapan classroom ya kajing long jok classroom ban hadin si benai jong kata ngila sabit ya ke city lingba jong akum MDC bat hadin jong kata kelawan ke sanction order ya ke bakila alut kicing don kam ke bak school kepan kat ke bak school kepan layo alut kicing don kam hak by day bat ban lihat itu kitin ki berim bat mental layo ban sop dakatin ke batamai. Sir, I was telling them that you have come by your own self to come to the school. You have seen with your own eyes how the school look, and you have said in your speech that it's pathetic to see that the school that the children are studying, they are not able to study properly. Sir, one of the managing committee, he said that during rainy season, they have to shift the student from one place to another place. And sir, on behalf of the managing committee of the school, on behalf of the parents of those children who are studying in the school and the children, we would like to express our gratitude to the Assam Rifle under the command of General Nair. And with your helping hand, we are so grateful that you have provided us with this new CGI sheet, which the student now, even during rainy season also, they will not think to shift from one class to another class. This is all because of your helping hand. And sir, we would like to thank the entire Assam Rifle fraternity who have extended this gift that you have given to the school. And we hope that this will remain in this school, in the history of the school, that the Assam Rifle has come and has helped the school. Ngelayo kecingap nakata ke civic action program. Dia kini ngelakren nakapor pengilap action ngongan saura ya civic action program apa mulai mentah kalau urlong ke igabon ra. Tangdan pat kibong barang dan kinomi kemat pinjit kumno kimpan long experience. Lala day bagam patan experience kam tharai ngan warra kini ketunum ke betama kini ke school ke jongpi ke bapilai I mentah. Ngang day nomi kemat badan kecingkit klik. But kecing perkhat nak bentaban kentiu ya kapulih putih. Haus nam arjara pulai lalu pajbau ibit bangalong nomi kemat pinsi seki epat ki bangan le nak bentaban kentiu ki skul kamtam ki baki kena skul ki bawan ni ki de ki bawan nak yeng kabudunah kayo kokot. Ngin sepersangkat bala ban kentiu ki skul menela keren ni we ki member jaga managing committee ibalong ba gidan kaman perkhat nak bentaban penkiu susu. Jadi sekolah saya tu kelas kita kham halor. Nomor nado kelas nursery itu kelas 5, adin kelas 5 part pelawar ajingnya saya nu berlai. Kepor kan sepoi. Bagani sekolah kan sedai ke wenik sekolah kita pau bah hang ni kethan dah kaba ngin saya trainer karkat bat kita ngalam senang bangin ra ban penhe susu kanang baki kami pak kinum dan kecil mat jengmut adin pendap kelas 5. Kanang makin yo ban ya susu pendap kelas kita kham halor. Bat kumanglah keren mana? Yang cekalit bar, nasusi benang ba, menjudan berpai kemat, syaknik sekolah kum kini, nomor kim desim kiatan, ringan dan kecing perkat, mentah pilih I, yang ini kecing terai ke bangila ai, yang kinong penyak sinong, bat jaka managing committee ban penterai ke cekalit bar, bat kelalong syak ke ibit ibiang, naga mentah kena, tangkawai kecing kerpat ikena kalong ba, pidan kaman sumar kuat ba, nomor kadi ke sekolah ke jongpi. Om tang cekalit bar, henry wat ya ke classroom, ya ke school dan kamban pelong ke jipur kuat. Manlak sin stio syapin le ciyeng, syapan kut katayo bakatu dan kamban pin sumar kuat bansar. Namar kadi ke sekolah ke papi, pin pulie, kan long ke sekolah ke babit ke babiang pi, ringkat pakai jingkut. Ke ba ngidan kamban dan ke sekolah. Nangis kam, bagi pornawan. Kinsetan bun ki skim ki bangan sa persangkat bala. Lada haus na marjar pulai le lang pois katong. Bangan longkum nomi kemat bakamalor. ngin pil si i ki benta ki bangan le nagabanta kasinong katha